Excuse me?
Yes, please.
What is your name?
My name is Smooth.
What name should I call you?
You should call me what name you like, but everybody calls me as Smooth.
So, Mr. Muthu, what's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is playing guitar and watching movies.
Do you watch movie regularly?
No, I have no time, much time for watching movie.
Or when do you watch it?
I watch it. It's my leisure activity. Leisure time.
I mean, in your free time you try to watch.
Yes.
Where do you watch movie? Go to the cinema hall?
No, it's
Or
not
home
possible.
theater or television?
Usually I watch it in television.
Television. There are a lot of channels. Which channel you like most?
I like HBO.
HBO.
Yeah.
HBO stands for maybe home box office, right?
Yes.
Good. Did you watch any movie yesterday?
Yeah.
What was the movie's name?
The movie's name was Jumanji Land.
So, what is the message of Jumanji Land that you watched?
Jumanji Land.
What did you know?
I know many things from Jumanji Land. Mainly, it is a game. The hero of the movie is The Rock. There are 5 levels in Jumanji Land, and each levels they all have 5 lives. 5 lives. If they dead, they will alive. Like that, they can alive 5 times. And there are 5 levels, and they played well, and everybody contains some special powers. Rock contain powers of running fast as current, and he can fight with everything. And I remember it. And there are 4 members. They start from their university by an experiment in this game. In this game, there are 5 levels, and each level contains their one by one and became harder and harder. Level 1 is easy, but from level 2 it became harder and harder. And they all play the game very well. And in level 4 they meet a person. He is playing the game since 20 years, but he can't go out from this game because he can't be successful. Then by by gathering, they all finished the game, and the movie was very adventurous. By seeing this movie, I have many experience of adventure. I know many things about my spoken English. I improve my spoken. I improve my listening skills, and I see many beautiful graphics. There is in level 2 there is a black mamba. It is very dangerous. I see that, and I suggest everyone to see this movie at once, and that's all.